Hey, good looking. You want to see what we have cooking today in my kitchen? Well, grab a hold of that vine, swing out of my kitchen, and let's get cooking. Good looking. Today, I'm going to sit there and show you one of the easiest German potato salad recipes that is out there. You're going to be blown away of how easy it is to sit there and put this German potato salad together. So, swing on to the kitchen and let's get cooking. Good looking. They're good looking. I'm so glad you came to the kitchen today. And I hear that you want to sit there and learn how to make the German potato salad. So you're going to be sitting there needing at least 6 to 7 medium potatoes. Usually I use red potatoes, but today I'm out, so I'm using russet potatoes instead. The real crumbled bacon that Hormel puts out, so we're going to be using some of that. I have some bacon grease here. We have some celery seed. We have dried minced onion, and we have some salt, and we have some pepper. And we have some vinegar over here, and right here I have the water that we're going to be needing and sugar. That's all we need. So I'm going to sit there and go ahead. I have my slicer already here. We're going to sit there and use the nice little slicing side, and I'm going to slice up all these russet potatoes. As you see, all my potatoes are all nicely sliced up. Now I have a saucepan here, and we're just going to sit there, put all the potatoes in there, and I'm going to add some water, and we're just going to par cook these for 5 to 10 minutes. You do not want to have your potatoes all the way cooked. Here I have them over on the stove, and I'm just waiting for them to par cook. I'll meet you back over at the counter. Okay, looks like my potatoes are done. I'm just going to bring them over, show you them all. And now I'm just going to sit there, grab my colander here, and we're just going to go over to the sink, and I'm going to drain these potatoes. Now, I'm just going to go ahead and add them all to this bowl I have. Now, leave the potatoes off to the side. Use that same old saucepan that we used to boil the potatoes up partially. And now we're going to add the rest of our ingredients to our saucepan. So I'm going to sit there and go ahead, and we're going to add at least 1 tablespoon of the bacon grease. Let's go ahead and add the bacon grease to our saucepan. We're going to be adding 2 tablespoons of the dried minced onion. And then we're going to add 6 tablespoons of the crumbled up bacon bits. 1.5 tablespoons sugar, 1/2 teaspoon celery seed, a good dash of pepper. Alright, just add a quick little dash of salt. And then we're going to be adding 2/3 cup of water and 1/3 cup of vinegar. Now let's go ahead and give this all a good stir. And then we're going to take this over to the stove. And then we're going to bring this all up to a boil. We're going to need at least 2 tablespoons of cornstarch with about a teaspoon or so of water. We just want to sit there and make a slight little bit of a slurry. Like I said, you're just going to want to sit there and make a little slurry of the cornstarch and water. Now let's add this to the saucepan. I brought the saucepan over so we can add that cornstarch slurry, and now we're just going to sit there and mix this all together, and we're going to continue stirring this on the stove until this is all smooth, creamy, and somewhat thick, and then we're going to sit there and pour it all over our potatoes. Okay, our sauce is all nice and slightly thickened up, not too thin, not too thick. Perfect German potato style thick. And now I'm going to go ahead and give this all a toss, but I'm not even going to attempt doing that with the camera before me, so I'm going to do that off camera. Now, there you go. I can't make it any more simpler than what I just did.
Now, if you liked what you saw here today, give me a big old thumbs up. Be sure to sit there and share with others. And if you're a new subscriber to my channel here, I'd like to welcome each and every one of you. So if you're not a subscriber yet, go up and hit that subscribe button. Tap that little bell. That way you'll always be notified every time I do put on a new video. And thank you for taking the time for watching my videos here. And happy cooking, but better yet, happy eatings, y'all. And y'all come back now. You hear?